All right, so now we're going to capture notes about the dogs, their exercise log, the diet notes, the kennel that they're staying in. So one thing I need to know is I need to just have kennels. Like, I don't know where this is going to fit, but I know I need that information. It's going to be a pile of information. I'm just going to create that pile. So kennel ID. And then also, there's probably going to be various levels of kennels. Right, here's the little cramped box that's, $24.95 if you really hate your dog a day. Here's the medium-sized box. Here's the large box. Here's the deluxe doggy suite, with, I don't know, whatever else is in it. So we're going to have different types of kennels. So, and that might change, and we'd only want to enter that once. So I'm going to put here kennel types. Oops, this needs to be blue. KID. And this will be KT ID and KT type. Small, medium, large will be the entries. Deluxe. Except we'll probably have a different name than deluxe. What might we call it? Presidential puppy suite. And then we'll have, because we only want to enter those types once, and we'll probably have a kennel ID. Maybe we'll refer to actually the number. Like here's kennel 1. It'll physically have a 1 over it. So that maybe is ID, but I'm just going to do a kennel number on top of that, because maybe it's a different kind of way, or a kennel name. Kennel name. Maybe it's names, right? It's whatever it is. It's like, this is kennel S1 in building S, kennel S2. Who knows what it's going to be? It's going to be text. So that'll be the name. And then we'll have the kennel type. Kennel type ID. So small, medium, large, presidential puppy, palace, suite. And then over here, I think we'll probably have KT price, which will change with time. So we would come in and update that. So we know, oh, you're renting that, it's this much. So we have stays, and the dog comes in, out date, and then we're going to put him into a kennel. We're just going to assume it's the same kennel the entire stay. So for this stay, you got this kennel. One dog got that kennel. And something else to consider is like, well, maybe the dogs, like there's 2 dogs or 8 dogs, and the owner wants the presidential palace where they can all stay together. Because they're brothers and sisters, they want to be together. So we have to think about like, well, now we're going to have 8 dogs in the same kennel. How do we take this, and what do we have to create to allow multiple dogs to stay in the same kennel? Like maybe there's a presidential palace and all your puppies could stay together. Puppy palace. So do that. How do you keep track of multiple dogs staying in the same kennel? Do that.